Same to all. Same to all of you. Yes, happy Independence Day. Same to all of you. Let us start third. Write the number of decimal places. Third one. Write the number of decimal places in. Write the number of decimal places. Write the number of decimal places. Write the number of decimal places in. You have to count the number of decimal places and write down. That's all. First 0.4762. First 0.4762. Let me first write all the questions. 4762. Then second 7.00349. 7.00349. Third, write the number of decimal places. 8235. 8235. Point 403. Write the number of decimal places in. Write the number of decimal places in. Then 35.4. 35.4. Then fifth one. Write the number of decimal places in. Fifth one. 2.608. Good morning. 2.608. Now sixth one. 0.000879. 0.000879. Write the number of decimal places in. So you have to count the number of decimal places. So let us see first one. Number of decimal places is this. 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 So you have to count how many number of decimal places are there. How many digits are there in the... Yes. Let us do one by one. So decimal places, after decimal 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits. So we will write the answer 4. We write the answer 4. After decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number of decimal places 5. Okay. Number of decimal places 5. Then after decimal 1, 2, 3. 3 digits. So number of decimal places 3. After decimal 1 digit. So number of decimal places 1. After decimal 1, 2, 3. Number of decimal places 3. After decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of decimal places 6. So this is the answer. Write the number of decimal places. Write the number of decimal places in the following. Okay. Write the number of decimal places in the following. Then write the following decimal as word statement. Write the following decimal as word statement. Write the following decimal. Write the following decimal. Write the following decimals as word statement. You have to write down in word. Word statement. You have to write down the following decimals in word statement. That's all. First it is 0.4, 0.9, 0.1. Okay, first 0.4. So what you will write this in the word? In the word you will write this as 0, 0, then dash point, 0 dash point dash 4. 0.4. Okay, then 0.9. 0.9 is homework. 0.1 is homework. These two I am giving homework. Okay. Then second 1.9. Second 1.9, 1.9. What you will read is, yes, in words what you will write? 1, 1 dash point, 1 dash point dash 9. 1 dash point dash 9. Which one? Write the number of decimal places in. Yes. 0.9. This word you have to write down. You have to write down 0 dash point dash 9. 0 point dash 1. 1.9. So then 4.4, 4.4 is homework in words. Then 7.5. 7.5 is homework. These two are homework. You have to write down that in words. So after decimal we read them as single digit. Remember this. After decimal we read them as single digit. We don't say 13. We say 13. Okay. After decimal 8 digit we write as single number. So if it is 13, we don't read 13. We read 13. After decimal you have to read the number as single digit. Next it is third one 0.02. Third one 0.02. What you will read this as 0 dash point 0 dash point dash 0 dash 2. 0.02. Okay. Then 0.56. You don't read 56, my dear. You will pronounce as 0.56, not 0.56. So this you will write 0 dash point dash 5 dash 6. Don't read 56, it is 56. Then 13.06. So this we write 13. Before decimal we read that as number 13 dash point dash 0 dash 6. 13.06. Before decimal we read that as single number. Then fourth one 0.005. 0.005 homework. 0.207 homework. 0.207 homework. Then 111.519. 111.519. What you will read this? Tell me. Yes. 100. Yes. So this you will read 100. 111 dash point dash 5 dash 1 dash 9. 111.519. Okay. Yes. What is that spelling? ELEVEN, no? VEN. Okay. 11. 111.519. Don't read 519. Yes. Before point, before decimal you can read that as single number, but after decimal you will read that as single digit. Okay. Before decimal you can read that as number, but after decimal it will be single digit. Before decimal single number, after decimal single digit. The next is fifth one, 0, 0.8 homework, then 0.08 homework, then 0.008, 0.008 homework, then 0.0008 homework. Okay, all this you can write. Then sixth one, all these are homework. Then sixth one, 256.1, 256.1, homework 10.22, 10.22 homework, then 0.634 homework, 0.634 homework. So before decimal we read that as number, but after decimal we read that as single digit. This concept to remember. Okay. Then convert the given fraction into like fractions. Actually it is not fraction. Convert the given decimals into like decimals. Like decimal means after decimal they have same number of digits. After decimal they have it is not fraction, it is decimal. Convert the following decimals into like decimals, not fractions. Okay. Decimal fraction, you can say decimal fraction. Convert, fifth one, convert the following decimal fractions into like decimal fractions. Convert the following fractions into like decimal fractions. Like decimal means after decimal the number of digits should be same. Now first it is 0.5, comma 3.62, what I have written wrong? 43.981. It is not in the textbook. It is not written correctly. They are not the fraction. They are decimal fraction, my dear. Okay. Decimal. Textbook make the change. And 232.0037. 232.0037. Okay. So these are given to you. Check whether they are same. After decimal 1 digit. After decimal 2 digit. After decimal 3 digit, after decimal 4 digit. So they are not like. So to make them into like, all 4, yes. So to make them, so like decimal fractions are, yes, 0.5000. Okay, 3.62, not 0, 6200, my dear. 43.9810, yes, then 232.0037 will remain as it is. Yes. And now after this you can count. How many decimals are there? 4. So since the number of decimal places are same, they are like decimals. Number of decimal places means after decimal the number of digits should be same. After decimal the number of decimal places should be same. Then they are like decimals. So whichever is the maximum number of decimal place, we make all that same as maximum number of decimal place. The next is 215.78, second one, 215.78, comma 33.006, comma 530.3, 530.3, comma 0.3, 0.035, 0.035, 69. You count how many decimal places are there. Yes, first one is 2, second is 3, next is 1, next is 5. So you make all decimal places 5 by adding 0 to the right. Like decimals are, by adding 0 to the right, my dear. Like decimal, like decimal fractions are, yes, 215.7878000, then 33.006, then 00, then 530.3, 4 zeros, then 0.003569. Okay, now you count how many decimal places are there after that. This is 5, 5, 5 and 5. So our number of decimal places are 5. So they are like decimals. They are like decimals. So you have to add 0 to the right side of the decimal. Okay. So you have to, now we will see the addition and subtraction of decimal fraction. Addition and subtraction of decimal fraction. Addition and subtraction of decimal fraction. So working method will be same as addition and subtraction of, C is not there. C is not there. Third part is not there. Okay. So write on this. Addition and subtraction of decimals. Addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction of decimal fractions. Addition and subtraction of decimal fractions. Addition and subtraction of decimal fractions. So what you have to do, if they are like decimal, if they are not like decimal, if they are not like decimal fraction, if they are not like decimal fraction, means unlike decimal fraction. If they are not like decimal fractions, then first we convert into like decimal fraction. Then first we convert into like decimal fractions. Then first we convert into like decimal fractions. Okay, this is our important. If they are like, directly simplify. If they are not like decimal, then we first convert them into like decimal fraction. Then you have, write down. Then you have to take care of the sign. Whenever you have plus and minus or plus, in both the case you have to subtract and take the sign of bigger number. Subtract and take the sign of bigger number. Take the sign of bigger number. Yes, we have seen this in the case of integer, no my dear. The same logic. Plus minus, minus plus, opposite sign, subtract. Whenever they have minus or plus means same sign. Whenever they have opposite sign, you will subtract, and whenever they have same sign, you will add. Add and take the common sign. Add and take the common sign. Add and take common sign. So this we have already seen in the case of integer. Okay. So the same thing we follow for decimal also. Okay. So to add or subtract to decimal, first we convert them into like decimals. If they are like decimal, no problem. If they are unlike decimal, then first we convert them into like decimals. Then we add and subtract. Based on this, we have exercise 4B. 4B, exercise 4B. Okay, 4B. Now, now first question is add. Add means plus sign. It is 0.5 and 0.37. 0.5 and 0.37. 0.37. Now you tell me whether they are like decimals. Yes, unlike decimal. So this is 2 digit, this is 2 digit, this is 1 digit. So let us make them. So this we write 0.50. Then we add 0.37. 0.37. Now we add them. 0 plus 7 is 7. 5 plus 3 is 8. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0.87 is the answer. 0.87 is the answer. Okay. 3.8 and 8.7. 3.8 and 8.7. Now you tell me whether they are like decimal. Yes. So add them. 3.8, 8.7. Okay. So let us add them. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15. Then 1 is carried there. Yes. 1 is carried there. 8 plus 3 is 11 plus 1, 12. Answer is 12.5. Okay. So addition will be same. You have to carry forward. You have to carry forward. We do the addition and subtraction with the carried forward. Okay. So let me give you the few question homework. Because only the thing you have to take care, while addition you have to first convert them into like decimals. The next is 0.02, okay, 0.02, 0.02, comma, 0.008, 0.008, 0.008, comma, 0.309. Now you tell whether their decimal places are same. So let me give this. Let me give this homework. Let me give homework. Third one is homework. 1 minute, my dear. Then fourth one is 0.4136, 0.4136, comma, 0.3195, 0.3195, comma, 0.52. Whether they are like decimal? No. Yes. So you will convert. This is 4, this is 4. So you also add 2 0. Make it 4. Then you add them. Okay. So let us give homework. Homework. Easy one. Fifth. 9.25. 9.25. 3.4. See, this decimal fraction will help you in chemistry. Okay, chemistry and physics numerical problem. When 8th standard you will come across, 8th standard, 9th standard, 10th standard you will come across numerical problem in physics and chemistry. So there this decimal fraction concept will be used. Okay, so remember this. 9.25, 3.4 and 6.666. 6.666. Let me do one problem of this type. So whether they are same, this is 3, this is 1, this is 2. So make it 3. They are make it 3. So 9.250, 3.400, then 6.666. Okay. We add them. 6 plus 0, 6. Then 5 plus 0, 5 plus 6, 11, 1. 1 is carried. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. 13, 3. Then again 1 is carried. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 3, 13 plus... Answer is 19.316. Answer is 19.316. So this decimal fraction concept will definitely help you in numerical problems of physics and chemistry in next year, 8th standard, 9th standard, 10th standard. Decimal fraction concept. How to add decimal fractions, how to subtract decimal fractions. This is used in numerical problems of physics and chemistry. So try to understand each and everything nicely. Then sixth one. Sixth one, 3.007, comma 0.587, comma 18.341. Yes. What you want? You want me to solve? Homework. Yes. अरे why now my dear? What is that? चलो ठीक है. हाँ, homework. Okay. Then now exams are over. You can do homework. Seventh one. 0.2, 0.02, comma 2.0002. They are not like decimal. Okay, so homework. So convert them into like decimal. Then eighth one. 6.08, 60.8, 60.8. Then yes, this I will do. 0.608, this I will do. 0.608 and 0.0608. 0.0608. Okay, so you check whether this is 4, this is 3, this is 1, this is 2. So maximum is 4. So make all 4. So first we write 6.0800, 4 decimal. Then 60, we write unit place, 60.8000. 60. Then 0.608, 0.608, we add 0. Then 0.06, 0.0608. So now they are like decimal. We write plus. So let us add 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8. Then 0 plus 0 plus 8 plus 0, 8. Then 8 plus 0 plus 0, 8 plus 6 is 14. Then 1 is carried there, my dear. 1 is carried. Then 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. Then 1 is carried for 1 is carried, decimal. Then 1 plus 6 is 7. Then 6 plus nothing will give you 6. 67.5488. Yes. Okay. So you have to convert them into like decimals. Again I am telling you, decimal fractions will definitely help you in your physics and chemistry numerical problem next year, 8, 9, 10. So try to do nicely, because in student reach in 10th standard, then they are confused with decimal fraction, addition, subtraction. Their problem should not be there. Then ninth one, 29.03, 0.003, 0.00, 0.303. Okay. Then 0.3 and 7.2. What you want? You want me to solve? Yes, tell me. No. Arey my dear, homework, same way. Then 10th one. Chalo, let us see. 10th one 3.4, 3.4, 2.025, 2.025, then 9.36, 9.36, then 3.6221, 3.6221, 6221. Okay, let us do this. First you convert them into like decimal. 1, 3, 2, 4. Which is maximum? 4. So you make all 4. So this is 3.400. 4 digit, no. 4 is maximum. Then 2.0250. Then 9.3600. Then 3.6221. We write plus sign. Plus, plus, plus. Now add them. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 will give you 1. Okay? Then 0 plus 5 plus 0 plus 2. 5 plus 2, 7. Then 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 1 is carried. 1 is carried, my dear. Then 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. Then 1 is carried forward. Okay? 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 9, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 18.4071 is the answer. Yes, 18.4071 is the answer. Okay. So in addition and subtraction of decimal fraction, you have to first convert them into like decimals. First you have to convert them into like decimals, and then you add the digit wise. Okay. So there is nothing. Now second is subtract the first number from the second. Second one, subtract the first number. Subtract means minus. The first number from the second. Subtract the first number from the second. Okay, so from second, so I will write second number first. Okay. First 5.4, 9.8. 5.4, comma 9.8. From second number we have to subtract first. Means check whether they are like decimal. Check whether they are, yes. So from second, so I will write first 9.8. Then I will write 5.4. Then it is subtract. Subtract means minus. So 8 minus 4 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. Answer is 4.4. Answer is, so subtract second from first. Subtract first from second. So 0.16, 0.16, comma 4.3. Yes, 0.16, 4.3. How will subtract? Tell me. So yes. Yes. So first you convert them into like decimal, my dear. First you convert them into like decimal. So below this we write 0.16, comma 4.30 like decimals. Now subtract first from second. So 4.30 minus 0.16. 0.16. 10 minus, see, this is 0 smaller than 6. So 1 is carried there. Then in place of 3 it will be 2. Remember this. Then 10 minus 6. This will be 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay. Then 4 minus 0 is 4. 4.14 is the answer. Okay. Now third 0.82, comma 8.6. Let me give this homework, okay? Then fourth one 0.07, 0.07 and 8.43 homework, okay? Then 2.237, from second you have to subtract first. 9.425. Yes, what you want? You want me to solve? They are like decimals. Yes, good. Very good. Chalo, sixth one. 41.03, comma 59.46. They are like decimals. So subtract first from second. Then seventh one 3.92, comma 26.86, like decimals. So directly you subtract first from second. Then eighth one 4.73, comma 8.5. Yes, what you want? You want me to solve? Homework. Yes, very good. So your exams are over. You can start solving homework. You can go through. Yes, you can go through the videos of fraction on the YouTube. Learn from there. Then start solving the problem. Okay. Then ninth one. 12.63 and 63.2. Yes, let me solve this if you want. So let us make them like decimal. So 2 digit 12.63, 63.20. So 63.20 minus 12.63. So let us subtract. This is 0. So 1 will be carried. This become 10. And there it will be 1. Now 10 minus 3 is 7. 10 minus 3 is 7. But it is 1. And 6 is bigger. So again 1 is carried. So when in place of 3 it will be 2. Then this 1 become 11. 11 minus 2 is 5. 11 minus 6 is 5. Then 2 minus 2 is 0. Then 6 minus 1 is 5. 50.57. 50.57 is the answer. Yes. Then 0.845. 0.845. Chalo, do it. Do it and tell me. No notes, no homework 10th one. You solve this 10th one and tell me. Tell me the answer of 10th one. Chalo, do it fast. 0.845. Make them like decimal. 37.100. 37.100. 0.845. Okay. Now this is 10. 10. 0 will become 10. Okay. Then this 0 will become 9. Then 1 will become 0. Okay. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 4 is 5. Okay. Then this is 0. 1 will be carried. 7 will become 6. Then 0 become 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 10 minus 2. Then 6 minus 0, 6. Then 36.255. 36.255 is the correct answer. Okay. Yes, so now we stop here. Bye everybody. Bye. This video I will upload on the YouTube. Both